Can a secret make you rich? Imagine a king in ancient Egypt who had a golden ear. He said, "If you tell me a secret that surprises me, I will give you half of my gold." Many smart men came. They told stories about diamonds and magic, but the king was not happy. Then a poor boy arrived. He was a simple shepherd. He said only 3 short sentences into the golden ear. Suddenly, the king was shocked. What was the secret? Today, you will learn the secret of the golden ear. This story will help you learn English and teach you how to be wise. A long time ago, there was a king named Ramses. He was very rich, but he was bored. He wanted to hear something new. He made a statue called the Golden Ear. "Tell me a secret about life," the king said. "If you surprise me, you win gold. If you fail, you must work for me for 1 year." The men who failed. First, a rich priest came. He said, "I know where blue diamonds are hidden." The king said, "I have many diamonds. You fail." Next, a soldier came. He said, "I know how to win every war." The king said, "War is boring. You fail." Many people tried, but no one could surprise the king. Then a boy named Leo came to the palace. He looked after sheep in the desert. People laughed at him. "How can a poor boy know a secret for the king?" they asked. Leo went to the golden ear. He spoke very quietly. He said 3 things. The golden ear hears everything, but it has no heart. Many people talk, but very few people listen. A real secret is the truth that people do not want to see. The king stood up. He was very surprised. "Finally," he shouted. "This boy understands the truth." The king asked Leo, "Why did you say this?" Leo said, "The other men only wanted to show you their power. They did not listen to what you wanted. They talked at you, not to you." The king did not just give Leo gold. He made Leo his best advisor. He learned that a person who listens is more important than 1,000 soldiers. Leo used his power to help poor people. He taught everyone that the greatest power is to listen and understand others. This story teaches us a big lesson. Today, everyone is talking and shouting, but very few people listen. If you want to learn English, remember this. Listening is very important. If you listen carefully, you will learn fast. Do not just learn words. Try to understand the meaning behind the words. Thank you for watching HistoriEnglish. Please like the video and subscribe for more easy stories.